We got the manual and the tag. It has a different number than what's on the inventory list. Okay, this says 1175. 1175. 2271. 1 or 2, 4, 2. There are 4 inside, 6, 8, and there are 4 inside this 12. 170800 1065. Oh, we have different numbers. 2 of 1065, 4 of 1064, 4 of 1062, and 2 of 1063. This is the hinge 442. Oh, this is easy. Hold on. Okay, 2 pieces of 1048. Let's go with this wood. Oh, maybe this first. All of it's okay. 1129. 2238. Okay, 2 pieces of 2238. 2250. It's long. 2 pieces. We got 2 pieces of 1134. 2254. Yeah, 2254. 2 pieces. Let's get this. 2234. 4 pieces of this. 1, 2, 2234. 3, 2234. 4 pieces. Thingy. 2 pieces of 1147. Maybe 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4 pieces. 1147. 4 pieces. This long one, 2 of 2240. Now we got this PC Ridge Cap 1047. 2 of those. And then we also have 1052 4-pack. Now we're going into metal. These are metal. We have 2-pack 1066. We have 4-pack 1071. And we got another hinge 752. 1053 each channel. Oh, I thought this is metal. This is, oh yeah, this is metal. 1057, the grill. Aluminum vent. Oh, this is 1 piece. Okay. 2275. Carton ID. Here's the, it appears different on the manual, but it says D87265. Yep, they're all 1138. And we got this one piece of 2256 and one piece of 2258. One piece of 2255, one piece of 2260. Now let's pardon for the noise coming from the lawnmower. We have a piece of 2233 and one piece of 1137. Looks like we have four pieces of 2233. So let's count. One. This is a different piece. Oh, I only see one. Hold on. This one is 1137, one piece. Two pieces, right? That one is two pieces. We're good. We cannot find the other three pieces, so we'll put this on the side. 2233. 2235. Three pieces. Is that right? Two pieces. There you go. 2253. Let's see. Oh, 2243. Let's see how many pieces would that be. 2243. Two pieces. 2242. Two pieces. 2241. Okay, 2241. Let's move this. We got 2230. We got 2268. 1552. 1552. 2268 is what? Two pieces? Okay, we got two of this. This is the one with the missing part. $15.52 is four pieces, right? $15.52. Here's the other $15.52, number 4. Okay, you can now check $15.52. Four pieces. The vinyl. Gable Center, 337. Oh, this is 1069. I'm shouting 337. It's 1069. One piece. We got this long one, double panel. Two pack of 1055. Okay, two pack 1054. Let's see what these are. Two pieces of 2264 and two pieces of 2259. Okay, I'm gonna check the record because according to my wife, we should have two pieces of this. 2233. Now we're done with this one whole thing. with 3 pieces of 2233 missing.